Imagine entering a world full of vibrant colors, extraordinary creatures, and a sense of tranquility that is unmatched. Welcome to the magical realm that lies just beneath the surface of our planet's waters, a world where the ordinary laws of land give way to the extraordinary wonders of the sea. This is the vibrant underwater world, a place of beauty, mystery, and an endless array of life forms. Aquariums are our windows into this world. They bring the ocean's depth to our doorstep, offering a glimpse into the marine universe that remains largely unexplored. From the tiniest seahorse to the most massive whale, aquariums house a diverse range of aquatic species. They are a testament to the rich biodiversity of our oceans and a reminder of the intricate web of life that exists beneath the waves. But aquariums are not just about entertainment. They play a crucial role in conservation, helping to protect and preserve marine species, many of which are threatened by habitat loss, pollution, and climate change. They serve as sanctuaries for these creatures, providing them with safe havens where they can thrive and reproduce. Equally important is their role in education. Aquariums offer a hands-on learning experience, letting us peek into the undersea world and understand its delicate balance. They help us appreciate the importance of marine ecosystems and the need to protect them for future generations. And let's not forget the sheer joy of being in an aquarium. The sense of awe as you walk through a tunnel with sharks swimming overhead. The thrill of seeing a dolphin leap out of the water. The peace that comes from watching a school of fish dart around a coral reef. These are experiences that stay with us, that broaden our horizons, and that deepen our connection with the natural world. So, whether you're a seasoned traveler or just someone who loves the sea, aquariums offer a unique experience that's both thrilling and enlightening. Now, let's embark on a journey to explore the top aquariums around the world that you must visit. First stop, the Sea Aquarium in Singapore, home to more than 100,000 marine animals of over 1,000 species. Imagine a world where you can come face to face with majestic manta rays, gape at groups of Goliath groupers, and get up close with the ocean's apex predators, the sharks. This is not a dream, but the daily reality at the Sea Aquarium in Singapore. This magical marine world is a symphony of color and life, an experience that leaves one in awe of the wonders of the deep blue. One of the Sea Aquarium's most unique features is its immersive open ocean habitat. As you walk through the glass tunnel, you will feel as though you are wandering on the ocean floor. It's an intimate encounter with the ocean's mysterious inhabitants, from the ethereal jellyfish to the vibrant clownfish. It's like walking into a living, breathing postcard of the ocean's depths. But the spectacle doesn't stop there. The Shark Seas, home to over 200 sharks from more than 12 species, is a sight to behold. Here, you'll witness the graceful dance of the hammerhead sharks, the stealthy moves of the silvertip sharks, and if you're lucky, the rare sighting of the endangered scalloped hammerhead shark. The Sea Aquarium is not just about gazing at the marine life, it's about immersion and interaction. The aquarium offers various interactive programs that allow you to feed the manta rays, dive with the sharks, or even sleep under the sea, surrounded by the mesmerizing marine life. It's a chance to learn, to understand, and to appreciate the intricate and delicate balance of our planet's marine ecosystems. If you think you've seen it all, think again. The Sea Aquarium is always evolving, adding new species and exhibits to its collection, ensuring that every visit offers something new and exciting. A visit to the Sea Aquarium is a dive into an enchanting, aquatic universe. Like a journey to another world, it's an experience that will open your eyes to the beauty, diversity, and importance of our oceans. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in. Moving to the Western Hemisphere, we find ourselves at the Georgia Aquarium in Atlanta, USA. This aquarium, one of the largest in the world, is home to an incredible array of marine life that leaves visitors spellbound. Let's dive into the Ocean Voyager exhibit, the largest indoor aquatic habitat in the world. Here, you'll find yourself immersed in an underwater spectacle with thousands of sea creatures swirling around in a symphony of color and motion. You'll encounter species from all corners of the ocean, from the tiny darting fish to the gentle giants of the sea, the whale sharks. Speaking of whale sharks, did you know that the Georgia Aquarium is one of the only aquariums in the world where you can actually swim with these magnificent creatures? Yes, you heard it right. A dip in the Ocean Voyager exhibit is not just an opportunity to see these gentle giants up close, but also a chance to understand and appreciate the complexity and beauty of the marine ecosystem. But the experiences at the Georgia Aquarium don't end there. Have you ever wondered what it's like to be a sea otter? Well, the aquarium offers a unique sea otter encounter that allows you to get up close and personal with these adorable creatures. You can learn about their behaviors, their diet, and even their grooming habits. In addition to these interactive experiences, the Georgia Aquarium also houses a multitude of other exhibits that showcase marine life in all its diversity. From the ethereal jellyfish to the vibrant coral reefs, the aquarium offers a glimpse into the many different habitats that make up the world's oceans. And let's not forget about the aquarium's commitment to conservation. Through various programs and initiatives, the Georgia Aquarium is dedicated to the preservation of marine life and the health of our oceans. This commitment truly sets it apart and makes it a must-visit destination for anyone interested in the underwater world. With its awe-inspiring exhibits, the Georgia Aquarium promises an unforgettable journey into the deep. Next, we venture to the land of the rising sun, Japan, to explore the Okinawa Churami Aquarium. Perched on the scenic island of Okinawa, this aquarium is more than just an underwater exhibit. It's a journey into the heart of the sea. One of its most captivating features is the massive Kuroshio sea tank. Holding nearly 2 million gallons of water, it's one of the largest in the world and is home to an awe-inspiring array of marine life. From the majestic whale sharks to the graceful manta rays, the Kuroshio sea tank is a mesmerizing spectacle of the ocean's grandeur. But the magic doesn't stop there. The Okinawa Churami Aquarium also takes you to the enigmatic depths of the ocean with its deep sea exhibit. In the icy darkness of the deep sea, where sunlight ceases to reach, strange and fascinating creatures thrive. This exhibit offers a rare glimpse into this mysterious underwater world, showcasing creatures that most of us would never get a chance to see in our lifetimes. But what sets the Okinawa Churami Aquarium apart is its commitment to visitor engagement. You're not just a spectator here, you're a participant. From feeling the rough skin of a starfish at the touch pool to witnessing the feeding frenzy during the feeding shows, there's no shortage of interactive experiences to immerse you in the aquatic world. The aquarium also places a strong emphasis on conservation and education. Through its exhibits and interactive experiences, it aims to foster a deeper understanding and appreciation of the ocean and its inhabitants. It's a reminder of the delicate balance of our ecosystem and our role in preserving it for future generations. Indeed, the Okinawa Churami Aquarium is more than just a place to see fish. It's a place to experience the wonder, the beauty, and the complexity of the marine world. It's a testament to the diversity of life beneath the waves and a tribute to the marvels of the natural world. The Okinawa Churami Aquarium offers a mesmerizing glimpse into the vast oceanic wonders. Our journey continues to the city of superlatives, Dubai, where we find the Dubai Mal Aquarium. Immerse yourself in the aquatic wonder that is the Dubai Mal Aquarium, a marvel of marine life in the heart of a bustling city. As one of the largest suspended aquariums in the world, it's a spectacle that effortlessly captures the eye. The tank, which holds a whopping 10 million liters of water, is home to thousands of aquatic animals from over 140 species, including over 300 rays and sharks. But the adventure doesn't stop at the tank. The underwater zoo, a 3-tiered experience, takes you through a journey of aquatic ecosystems from the rainforest to the ocean floor. Here, you'll come face to face with creatures like piranhas, crocodiles, penguins, and the ever-enthralling king croc, one of the largest reptiles in captivity. The Dubai Mal Aquarium isn't just a sight to behold, it's an experience to dive into. Ever wondered what it feels like to float above a sea of marine life? The glass-bottom boat ride gives you a unique vantage point, letting you glide above the aquarium's inhabitants. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not try the cage snorkeling experience? Dive into the 10 million liter tank and get up close and personal with the marine life. Speaking of personal encounters, don't miss the chance to feed the rays and sharks. Guided by a team of expert aquarists, you get to play a part in these creatures' daily routine. Just imagine the thrill of a ray taking food right from your hand. And for the little ones, the interactive touch tank is not to be missed. Here, they can gently touch starfish and sea cucumbers, experiencing firsthand the diversity of marine life textures. The Dubai Mal Aquarium is a testament to the marvels of marine life, nestled in the heart of a bustling city. It's not just an aquarium, it's an underwater odyssey that promises a deep dive into the ocean's mysteries without leaving the comforts of the city. Finally, we arrive at our top pick, the ultimate aquarium one must visit. This isn't just any aquarium, it's a portal into an underwater universe, a gateway that transports you to a world far removed from our own, a world that captivates, inspires, and leaves you in awe of the wonders of the deep blue. This aquarium is a marvel of modern design and technology, yet it's the inhabitants that truly steal the show. Imagine coming face to face with creatures so diverse and so beautifully strange, they seem to have been plucked right out of a fantasy novel. From the tiniest neon tetras to the mightiest sharks, every species here has a story to tell, a story of survival, adaptation, and the intricate balance of life beneath the waves. But it's not just about observing, it's about immersing yourself in their world. This aquarium offers unique interactive experiences that let you get up close and personal with some of its residents. Ever wanted to feed a stingray? How about diving with sharks? Here, you can do it all in a safe and controlled environment, all while learning about the vital role these creatures play in our planet's ecosystem. The design of this aquarium is another factor that sets it apart. The architecture is a testament to the beauty of the underwater world, with winding tunnels that transport you beneath the surface and massive viewing windows that offer panoramic views of the aquatic realms. As you wander through this aquatic wonderland, you'll realize that it's more than just an aquarium. It's a sanctuary for marine life, a place of research and conservation, and a beacon of education for all ages. Every visit here is a journey of discovery, a chance to gain a deeper understanding and appreciation of the world beneath the waves. This aquarium is undoubtedly a celebration of the wonders of the underwater world. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the beauty of the deep, where every turn reveals a new marvel, and where you leave with a renewed sense of wonder and respect for our planet's aquatic life. Aquariums offer a unique window into the enchanting underwater world, a world that is as mysterious as it is beautiful. As we've journeyed through the depths and corners of some of the world's most incredible aquariums, it's clear to see why these places are more than just tourist destinations. Their experiences, their adventures, their passages into the untamed and unexplored marine wilderness. From the breathtaking Sea Aquarium in Singapore, where we immersed ourselves in the world's largest collection of manta rays, to the awe-inspiring Georgia Aquarium in the USA, home to the only whale sharks in captivity outside of Asia. Each of these underwater sanctuaries offers a unique glimpse into the marine universe, a universe that is as diverse as it is mesmerizing. We ventured through the Okinawa Aquarium in Japan, where we were mesmerized by the giant Kuroshio sea tank, home to a plethora of marine species, including the majestic whale shark. And who could forget the Dubai Mal Aquarium in the UAE, where we walked through a tunnel surrounded by 10 million liters of water and an array of marine life. Each of these aquariums offers an extraordinary journey into the aquatic world, allowing us to come face to face with the most fascinating creatures of the deep. From the smallest seahorse to the largest shark, these aquariums bring us closer to marine life in ways we could only dream of. But the ultimate highlight, that has to be the aquarium that we crowned as the best in the world. A place that not only showcases marine biodiversity, but also promotes conservation and understanding of the oceans. So whether you're a seasoned traveler or just someone looking for a memorable experience, these aquariums should be on your bucket list. Each one offers a unique journey, an unforgettable adventure, and a chance to explore the mysteries of the underwater world. So, pack your bags, book your tickets, and get ready to explore these underwater paradises. And don't forget to share your favorite aquarium experiences in the comments below.